If you've been locked out of your Shopify account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Shopify login page. Go to the Shopify login page by entering the URL in your web browser. This is where you will start the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure to use the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Shopify. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets Shopify's security requirements, then confirm it. Once completed, you will be able to log in with your new credentials. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Shopify account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.